Good morning everyone. So it's a little bit after 5 and I'm gonna commute to work using the King Fahad Road here in Riyadh. So tag along with me. Guys, what a wonderful day it is, and people watching this video are also super awesome. And also check out this huge flock of birds. What are they doing on the road? Please give me way, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, this was interesting. I guess they were sort of eating something, but well, it's a public road. They should know how to give way, right? So right now I'm going on to the King Abdullah Road, this service lane for the same, and then I will be using the King Fahad Road. There's some construction up ahead. Wow. Today the sunrise is golden. Orange, golden, that one. MashaAllah. The sunrise in Riyadh and the sunsets, they are sometimes so charming. Honestly, it's so captivating. And these scenes of the palm trees along the road, I must say this is such a wonderful scene to drive to. So usually I go like 15-20 minutes before this time. So let's see if the traffic is any different right now. What difference does 20 minutes make here in Riyadh? Now we will use this ramp to go on to the King Fahad Road, but I want you to see the Kingdom Tower. Look at these wonderful scenes. MashaAllah. This is so enticing, honestly. Wow. These superb scenes of Riyadh in the morning. This is so much fun. Things are rather smooth, not that inconvenient at this time when it comes to traffic. In a short while we'll be just passing the Kingdom Tower. We can go in the high speed lane because there's still margin. There's still space in this. Wow, we are cruising. I hope we can continue like this on till the Makkah Road. But we are going at a fairly swift speed. This is so cool, right? If you are watching this video from Riyadh, let me know in the comments at what time do you usually commute and what's the traffic situation around that time. Now we are gonna pass the road that actually goes straight and leads on to the Tahliya Street. It's not the Tahliya Street immediately, but if we cross the Walaya Road, after that it leads to Tahliya, which is one of the very high-end streets here in Riyadh, and it's full of amazing restaurants. Oh, wow. Look at us cruising. Now we shall take an exit onto Makkah Road. This one place that we are gonna pass by, it's also quite interesting because you see it has the flags of Saudi, and when it's windy, this becomes such a cool scene. So around this time everyone is cruising. Now we shall merge onto the Makkah Road. Well, this road leads to Makkah actually. That's why it's Makkah Road. I've been to Makkah several times, but on my own car while driving, it's been a couple times. Actually, it's once, and on my own car. Other than that, I have been there a few times for Umrah, Alhamdulillah. However, I have been on this car to Medina quite a many times. The traffic light is green, red light, green light. Not sure if we are gonna pass through, but seems like we will. Wow, that is interesting actually. That is interesting. Super nice. Now I think this traffic light is also gonna open. It's gonna turn green, but check out the sunrise. And then there's an advertisement screen on the right of the on the right, and you see it's off right now, but I've seen it working. And here we go. Guys, before I end this video, let me know in the comments where you are watching this video from. It would be great to know. And if you watch till here, I wish you have a very wonderful, very fine day. up ahead. Someone was just mindlessly coming onto this lane, but no worries. Okay.